this drink is called When David Met Jess. You cannot have a pub wedding without drinks or a bar. So I am very happy to make you guys a cocktail. I asked Jess and David what their favorite drinks were. Jess is a whiskey and ginger, and David loves a beer. So this drink is called When David Met Jess. And David and Jess.
Thank you.
And something I love playing with beers as a cocktail, like beer garitas, beer lomas, beer...
And the beer with Bloody Mary. Yeah.
What's a
Michelada.
Thank you. So what we're going to do is make your cocktail for your special day. So I'm taking the base of Jess, which will be, you'll always be the base and the rock and all that good stuff. Yep. So we're going to put a little bit of whiskey into a shaker.
Or a lot, it's their...
Or a lot, yep, because I actually have to make a couple of drinks for some people here. And then ginger, it has a little, bubbles, so I would go more on the whiskey than the ginger so your shaker doesn't blow up like a science experiment. And then we're just going to shake it up. There was some ice in there.
It's like a Moscow Mule, but with the bourbon instead of the vodka.
Exactly.
Are you coming apart too?
Yes, I am coming undone. See, it's like marriage. Nothing's perfect.
That's right.
Okay. Okay, so that's the first lesson to learn in marriage. Okay, so then we're going to shake the bottom of the base, but leave a little bit of the top because this is where David comes into the equation. We're going to do
Don't cry in their cocktail.
I always cry.
You're marrying the two.
I'm marrying the drink together.
Take it on down.
And then,
adorable.
because it's a wedding, edible flowers. We know Rach loves the edible flowers.
I love
So do we.
edible flowers.
And look how beautiful. And you know what? We're going to make you have edible flowers, too.
Take it to another level.
Beautiful, isn't it? This is the cocktail. I'm going to bring these over to you guys.
How adorable.
Thank you so much.
Drink this slowly, because it's pretty strong.
All right, give us a cheers before we go to break. Take a sip.
Oh, that's really good.
Is it delicious? Oh my gosh.
Okay.
Oh gosh.
I love you.
Cheers.